To talk about the length, and generally the length of the lead rope from whatever we're tying to the horse is the length of our forearm. We generally tie at about 4 feet tall, which is generally wither height. And the reason why we do this is so that the horse cannot get its leg over the lead rope if it puts its head down, because then they will panic. So we don't want the horse to be eating stuff on the ground. So I'm going to put my lead rope over the fence. I'm going to make sure that I make the number 4, and I will do a close-up of this just in a second. I'm going to create a little loop that's over top. Go with our tail back in and back through our loop, which creates a quick release knot. If we are going to leave our horse unattended, we are going to lock it by putting the end of the tail through the loop. It does not have to be tight. You can leave it just like this. That's so our horse can't pull and end up taking out our knot. So you can see if the horse grabbed the rope with its teeth, it would pull and undo our quick release knot. There are many ways to do a quick release knot. This is just the one that I teach because I feel like it's easy for people to visualize. All right, so here's my close-up. So I've got my rope over top of our sturdy object. I'm going to create the number 4. Now the tail goes over top of the rope that the horse has. I'm going to create a small loop in the corner of the 4. I'm going to bring the tail back up through and loop it through. Okay? When I go to lock it, I'm simply going to put the tail through the loop. So I'm going to show that one more time. Got about a length of my arm. I'm going to bring this one over here, the tail end, so that way I can go over top of the rope and create the 4, twist, tail end through, create a loop, tighten. Okay, and there you can see you have your quick release knot.